So for this problem, to find the second derivative for this given, so observe that for this given, we can reduce because all the terms are divisible by 4. So this becomes x squared. Then for this 8 divided by 4, this is 2y squared. And 36 divided by 4, this is 9. Then from this, we can find out the first derivative. So the derivative of x squared, this is 2x. And the derivative of 2y squared, so this 2 times 2, this is 4. So we have 4y. Then take note that for every derivative of y, there is always a y prime. Then for the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. Then we need to solve for y prime. So transpose this 2x to the other side. So this becomes 4y prime equals negative 2x. And to solve for y prime, so divide both sides by 4y. So we have now y prime equals this negative 2 over 4. So this is negative 1/2 or negative x over 2y. So this is now the first derivative. Then to find the second derivative from the first derivative, so using the quotient rule, so u over v, and to find the derivative, so this is v times the derivative of u, then minus u times the derivative of v, then over the v squared. So to find now the second derivative, so we have v, and v is equal to 2y, then the derivative of u, so u is negative x, and the derivative of negative x is negative 1, then minus u is negative x times the derivative of v, so v is 2y, and the derivative of 2y, so again, for every derivative of y, there is always a y prime, then over v squared, or 2y to the power 2. Then to simplify, so this becomes negative 2y, and negative times negative, so this becomes positive 2xy prime. Then this 2 to the power 2, this is 4y squared. Then observe that every terms are divisible by 2. So divide by 2, this becomes negative y. Then divide by 2, so we have xy prime. Divide by 2, so this becomes 2y squared. Then this time, we need to substitute now the value for this y prime, and y prime is equal to negative x over 2y, then over 2y squared. Then to simplify, so we have multiply this x and negative x, so that's negative x squared, then over 2y squared. Then for this, negative y plus negative x squared over 2y. So we can do the crisscross multiplication. So this becomes negative 2y squared, then negative x squared, then over. So this is 2y. So therefore, this numerator is equal to negative 2y squared minus x squared over 2y, then all over this 2y squared. Then from this, we can multiply these two denominators because to find the reciprocal, so this becomes 1 over 2y squared. So multiply this 2y and 2y squared. So we have 2y squared minus x squared over, so this 2 times 2, that's 4, then y to the power 3. Then to simplify, so observe in the numerator, these are negative. So if we put this negative outside, so this negative x squared becomes positive x squared because we put this negative outside. And this negative 2y squared becomes positive 2y squared. Then over 4y to the power 3. Then we have y squared equals, so observe, this positive x squared plus 2y squared. So positive x squared plus 2y squared, that is equal to positive 9. So this becomes negative 9. Then over 4y to the power 3. So therefore, the second derivative is equal to negative 9 over 4y to the power 3.